Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, we will see how to find out the rank of word resonance. So first we have to write it in alphabetical order. So let's do that. First we'll have A, then C, E, E, N, N, O, R, S. Always remember in dictionary the words will be there in alphabetical order. Now the first letter of the word for which we want to find out the rank starts with R. That means we have to cross all the words which are starting with A, C, E, N, and O. So let's go ahead and do that. First words starting with A. So I'll write down words starting with A. So total resonance is 9-letter word. Out of that, A is fixed. That means 8 slots are available. So factorial 8. Then any duplications we have 2 E's and we have 2 N's. So we can write down factorial 2 into factorial 2. Remember now, we have to cross A, C, E, N, O. Then only we can go to R. So I will write down for C here, E here, N here, and O here. Starting, then let's go to C now. C again, remaining are 8 letters, factorial 8. Again, we have 2 E's and 2 N's, so I can write down factorial 2 by factorial 2 to take care of the duplications. Now, let us say E is fixed. Now again we have 8, but this time the duplicates are only N because we are starting with E. One E is already fixed there. Now let's go to N now. When you go to N, again 8 letters are left out and N is fixed. That means only E is repeating 2 times. So that will be factorial 2. Then let's go to O. When we go to O, again 8 letters are left out and both E and N are repeating. So that will be factorial 8 by factorial 2 into factorial 2. So first we'll calculate these values. We'll simplify that. We'll store it somewhere. Then we'll move forward to then we will reach our R. Once we get R, we can again go back to alphabetical order. So we'll again come back to here and we'll start from again in the alphabetical order. So let us calculate these values. I know factorial 8, we can check that. That is 40,320 and factorial 7 is 5,040. Factorial 6 if needed, it will be 720 and factorial 5 is 120. So this will be useful to us when we solve this problem. So this is 40,320 divided by 4. That will be 10,080. This is also 10,080. And this is 20,160. Because we are not dividing with 2 twos, we are dividing only with 1 twos. 20,160 and again 10,080. We can see that. Let us say this is one time, 2 times, 2 times, 1 time. So total 7 times of 10,080. So that will be 70,560. So let's write down that. We'll just write down words starting with A, C, E, N, O are over. Then we are going to R. Once we get R, what we have to do is we have to strike R and we have to come back to the starting point. That means we have to start with again RA, correct? Before this, I'll erase that and we will write down here what we got till now is 70,560. Okay, let me do that. Now, once we reached R, the first letter we see alphabetically is RA. But what we want is RE, correct? We want RE. We are at RA. So we have to cross RA, RC, then only we can go to RE. So I have to take care of now RA and RC. So let's write down that words starting with RA, RC we don't want. Now RA means out of 9 letters, 2 letters are done. So left out is 7. That will be factorial 7. And is there any repetitions? Yes, we have 2 E's and 2 N's. So I can write down factorial 2 by factorial 2. Similarly, for the next one also, RC, again factorial 7 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 2. Because when we go to R and C, we have 7 slots left out, and those 7 slots has to be taken care by 2 E's and 2 N's also as part of the remaining 7 letters. So now let's calculate these values. What is this factorial 7? I said 5040 divided by 4, so that is 1260. And this is again 1260. Now once RC is over, then we go to RE. So let us strike E now. Once I go to RE, again I have to start from scratch. So again I'll come back to the starting point. I see that REA. Now what I want exactly is RES, but I have REA, REC, REE, REN, REO. I have to clear all of them, then only I will go to RES. So I have to take care of, let me write down what I need to take care. I have to take care of REA, REC, I have to take care. I have to take care of REE. I have to take care of REN. Then I have to take care of REO. All these are words starting with these letters as fixed. Now, once I done that, then I go to RES. Then I can strike off yes. And again, I'll come back to the starting point. Now, let's go through one by one and see. REA means out of 9, 3 are fixed. So, 6 letters are left out, factorial C. If E and A are REA are fixed, what are the duplicates or repetitions we have? We have only N. Only N is there. So we have to write down factorial 6 by factorial 2. Now for REC also, it will be the same only factorial 6 by factorial 2. For REE also, it will be the same only. For REN, what happens for REN? Both E and N are fixed. That means there are no repetitions itself. Now let's go to REO. When you go to REO, again N is there for repetition. So it will become factorial 6 by factorial 2. Now let's calculate these values. What is factorial 6 divided by 2? 720 by 2. So I can write down 360. Again one more 360 here, 360 here, and this is 720. And this is 360. Now let us try to add all of them. And remember, where are we? We have crossed REO. That means we will go to RES. So I have to strike off yes now. And I have to start again from the starting point of alphabetical order. I have to go RES. That is how we find it in the dictionary in the book, right? Whenever you go RES, immediately you go alphabetically A to Z. But here, since we have only these letters, they will follow this order only A, C, E, E, N, N, O, R, S. So RESA, then RESC, then RESE, then RESN, then only I will go to RESO. Hopefully you understood that logic. That is how we have to do. So let me just try to add this and keep it again here so that we can go to the next page. Now if you add them, this is 2520 and this is 2160. So together I can make it as 4,680. So I'll write down that 4,680, and we are at REO. We crossed REO, we have to go to RES. Let's do that. Once we crossed R, E, and O, next what we have is RES. Now once I get RES, the first thing what I have to do is strike off yes and come back again to the starting point. So words starting with I want RESA, then I have to cross RESC, then C, that is, then I have to cross RESE, then I have to cross RESN, then I will go to RESO. So that will be, then I can strike off the O. So first let's take care of what are these, how many words we will have starting with this. RESA, out of 9, 4 are fixed. That means left out is 5, factorial 5. Now any repetitions for us, n is repeating 2 times. Similarly, I go to RESC, I have again n is repeating 2 times. If I go to RESE, there I have again n is repeating 2 times. When I go to RESN, both E and N are fixed. That means there are no repetitions. So let us go through this now and try to calculate this. So this will be 120 by 260. This will be again 60. This will be again 60. And this is 120. So altogether it is 300. So I can write down that's a 300 for words starting with 4 letters like RESA, RESC. Now, once you get RESN, remember the next thing is we got now O. So we have to strike off O and again start with RESOA. Let's do that. So we found our O. So we can just go there and strike it off. We will again come back and we will write down words starting with RESO. We are done. Now I go to alphabetical order. I first see E, but what we want after O is N. That means I have to cross RESOA. I have to cross RESOC. I have to cross RESOE. Then only I will go to RESON. So let's calculate this. Now, out of 9, 5 are fixed. That means 4. So factorial 4. Again, n is repeating 2 times. So that will be factorial 4 by factorial 2. For C also it is the same. For E also it is the same. So let us calculate this. This will be 12. This will be 12. And this will be 12. Now, once we crossed RESOE, then we have RESON. So I will strike off N. I will again go back to the starting point. So I will write down RESON I got now. What I will see when I come to alphabetical order is first A. What I want is RESONA. So we can strike off A also. After that, again, I'll come back to the alphabetical order. RESONA is fixed. Then I see C. But what I want is RESONAN. That means I have to cover RESONAE, then I will get my next N. So let us see how many this will be. We have 7 are closed. So we have 2 left out, factorial 2, and no repetitions. So that is 2 only. This is also factorial 2, that is equals to 2. Now once I get my n, I will go back and strike it off. Then I will come back here, write down RESONAN. Now when I come back here, I see first C. RESONAN, then I see C. After that, I have immediately E. So that fits into exactly the correct word what we want. So we have RESONAC, then NAE, then after that we have RESONANC. Now let's add this, what we got here, 36 plus 40, 41. Now let's add all this, that should give us the rank of the word resonance. So let's add them, 560, 1240, 540, 581. So 1581, 74 plus 1, 75. So the rank of word resonance is 75,581. So even though we did lot of videos on this particular topic, I made this video because I thought this is the rank will be little bit, high in value, and also you have to do lot of steps. So, and also it was requested by one of our friends. So I just thought I will do that for you. Please do let me know your feedback on this. Thanks for your time and support. Be safe. Take care of yourself. I love you all. To RESC,